Hello everyone! I'm going to talk you through how to set up your rail system for the Gladiator trimmer and the 3.0 trimmer. This guide will work whether you purchase the double or triple rail system. The tools needed are the toolkit provided with your trimmer, 3/4 inch wrench, 9/16 inch wrench, 5mm Allen key, and a rubber mallet. Start by placing the welded frame on a flat surface, ensuring the frame isn't upside down. Next, we will install the rubber feet on the front of the rail system. Place feet on each side and secure with a washer and locking nut. Place second welded frame to the back of the rail. Secure frames with bolts, washers, and locking nuts. Each bolt requires 2 washers and 1 locking nut. The Gladiator rail system uses 2 assembled bolts, whereas the 3.0 rail system uses 3 bolts. Using 2 3/4 inch wrenches to firmly tighten the bolts. Connect the jacks on each side and secure with locking pins. Finish your installation by placing the squared rubber plugs on each side of the rail. Your rail system is now assembled. Now let's show you how to install your trimming systems. The welded frames can be heavy. We recommend having a second person to help you set up your rail system. Before setting up your assembled rail system into your desired location, remember that you need enough power to run your system. We recommend having a certified electrician to make sure you have the proper power supply. Place your rail system in an open room, ensuring there is enough space to accommodate the leaf collectors and the keef collection system. Roll the trimmer with the plastic hopper installed on the rear end of the rail, making sure it reaches the end of the frame. Repeat the process for the second and third trimmers front to back. Keep the trimmers aligned with the center of the rail. Note the alignment plates on the rail. These will help to guide the trimmers into their correct position. Make sure the jacks are at their lowest height for an easier installation. You will need to remove the trimmer handles to install the link connectors. Use the 5mm Allen key. Install a pin in each link connector. Assemble the turnbuckles with the connectors. Connect the assembled turnbuckles to the front and back plates. Note the smaller hole on each side to accommodate for the link connector pins. Secure by tightening the connectors with the screw. We will now raise the height of the rail system. Make sure you even out the height of both jacks. Raise the rail system until the casters from the front trimmer are just off the ground. If the front casters are still touching the ground despite the height of the rail, check the rear trimmer is placed all the way against the frame. If you haven't done it earlier, you will need to slide in each trimmer into the correct position with the help of the guide plates. Adjust the gap between the tumblers with the turnbuckles. We suggest a gap between 1/8 of an inch and 3/16 inch. Then tighten with the jam nuts. If the tumblers aren't aligned properly, check that the trimmers are aligned with the center of the rail. Place the 3 leaf collectors side by side. We recommend setting them up on an angle to leave room for the keef collection system. Install the hose on each system and secure with a clamp. Your rail system is now ready to use. However, if you need further assistance with the operation of your rail system, Call tech support at 604-458-0341.